Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapetakruthyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 4th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Narada Maharshi narrating the story of Puranjana to Prachina Barhi, saying that, O Prachina Barhi, there was one Gandharva king, his name is Chandavega. He attacked Puranjana's town. Then the 5-headed serpent tried to protect Puranjana's town from that Chandavega. That serpent fought with Gandharvas for 100 years continuously. Those Gandharvas were about 760 people, the male and female together. This 5-headed serpent, who is also known as Prajagara, fought with those Gandharvas by himself. Then he got tired. All the people who were in that kingdom started getting scared. That attack was unexpected to Puranjana. Puranjana was always with his wife and enjoying. He never even dreamt that, he never even expected that this kind of attack would happen on his town. And after that there was another attack happened by Kalasya Duhita Kachit. There is a daughter of Kala, her name is Kalakanyaka. That Kalakanyaka, she was wandering everywhere in these 3 worlds in order to search for a husband. But no one came forward to marry her. O Prachina Barhi, what happened at that time is, exactly at that time, Kadachit Atamana Sa Brahmalokat Mahim Gatam Vavre. While I was traveling all over the worlds, from Brahmalokam I happened to come down to this Bhulokam. At that time, Kalakanya, she asked me if I would be interested in marry her. But I said no, I refused that. Then she got so mad at me and she cursed me, saying that Sthatumarhasi na ekatra, you would not be able to stay at one place for a while, you will be always wandering. Like that she cursed me. Like that Narada Maharshi telling all this story to Prachina Barhi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.